One, how to assess government and NGO farming grants in Nigeria is what I am addressing in this video. The focus of this video is going to be on NISAL, Bank of Agriculture, and Anchor Borrowers Program. Agriculture remains a cornerstone of Nigeria's economy, and the government, alongside various NGOs and financial institutions, have launched several grant and funding programs to support farmers and agripreneurs. These grants aim to boost food production, create jobs, and ensure food security. If you are a farmer and you are an aspiring agribusiness owner, understanding how to access these grants can provide the capital and resources needed to grow your farming business. This video explains key government and NGO farming grants in Nigeria, focusing on NISAL, Bank of Agriculture, BOA, and the Anchor Borrowers Program, and guides you on how to apply. Number one I want to talk about is the NISAL Bank Program. NISAL is Nigerian incentive-based risk-sharing system for agricultural lending. NISAL is a government-backed initiative designed to reduce the risks banks face when lending to farmers and agribusinesses. It provides credit guarantees, insurance, and technical assistance to encourage financial institutions to lend to agriculture. This is how NISAL supports farmers. Number one thing they do is to give credit risk guarantees. NISAL shares the credit risk with banks, enabling farmers to access loans with lower collateral requirements. Another thing that NISAL does is capacity building. They offer training and advisory services to farmers to improve productivity and loan repayment. Then they also do value chain financing. They support financing across agricultural value chains, including production, processing, and marketing. Now, this is how to access NISAL support. Number one thing you need to do is to approach banks or microfinance institutions partnered with NISAL. Then present a viable agricultural business plan or project to them. Now, this is where I may come in again. Actually, this video is a response to some people who are saying that they have agricultural, something they want to do, agricultural business, farming business, and then other things, but they are looking for how to get a loan. And then they think that there's some magic I can do. What I can say is that let's key into what the government is doing. Let's key into what some NGOs are doing. Let's key into what some private individuals are doing, and then take advantage of it. And that is what I'm bringing to you today. All these things are real. So I said approach banks or microfinance institutions partnered with NISAL. Then present a viable agricultural business plan or project. Now, many people will come to you that they want to do this, they want to do this. Okay, where is your business plan? Where is your project plan? They don't have any. Your project plan should show everything you need to put in and what is going to come out of it. What is the money you want to put in and what is the money you are going to make out? Is it going to be profitable or not? That is what the business plan will look at. When you produce, where are you going to sell? These are the things that the business plan is going to look at and will help you to do. So if you want to write a business plan, you're finding it difficult, contact me and I will guide you. I have a series of business plans I've done videos about, but if you want to write one and you need somebody to help you to write a business plan, contact me and I will create time to help you out. So you have to present a viable agricultural business plan or project to the bank or to the lenders. Then they meet the bank's lending criteria. NISAL will provide risk guarantees to the lender. Then engage with agricultural cooperatives or associations linked to the NISAL program. The next place you can look to for loan for agricultural purposes is Bank of Agriculture, that is BOA. The Bank of Agriculture is a specialized government bank focused on providing financial services to farmers, agro-processors, and rural entrepreneurs. Here are BOA's key programs. Number one program they do is agricultural loans. BOA offers loans for crop production, livestock, fisheries, and agro-processing. Then they also do input supply. They facilitate access to improved seeds, fertilizers, and equipment. Then they also do youth and women empowerment. They have special loan schemes, target youth and women in agriculture. Now, here is how to apply for BOA loans and grants. You have to, number one, visit the nearest BOA branch or their website to inquire about available loan products. Many people will just sit down there. They will not stand up and go and find out. Stand up and go to the Bank of Agriculture closest to you, or in the major town, in the capital where you are. Go, or in the town where you are. Go walk into the bank, take your bath, dress up, fine, wear good clothes, and walk into the Bank of Agriculture nearest to you and tell them these and these are the things you want. And they'll tell you what and what you require, or what and what they do and what they don't do. Based on what they do and what they don't do, you're going to tailor what you need to what they can provide to be able to meet up. And then you can start from there. Then they can guide you, they can help you. That is why they are existing. So apart from visiting, you have to prepare a detailed business plan. I've said that again. Outline your farming or agribusiness project. Your business can be that, okay, I don't want to farm, I don't want to plant maize, I don't want to plant yam, I don't want to plant anything. All I want to do is those who are planting, I want to buy it from them and process it. I want to buy maize and process the maize into custard, into ogi, and make into powder, and then export it. That can be your plan. Go and meet the Bank of Agriculture, and they are going to cooperate with you. So submit necessary documents, including identification, land ownership, lease proof, and financial statements if available. Then attend any required training or capacity building sessions organized by BOA. Now, there's something that I've mentioned there. You say financial statement. Now, in the past, we've been doing some financial transaction, some buying and selling agriculture small. But you have maybe you even have an account for that business, agricultural something, and I have one like that, which I started. You have the Jasken Foods, Agricultural Services. I've registered business name. I have the account, and sometimes I use, sometimes I don't use. In fact, based on this video, I will go back and start using it. Start paying money into the account and removing money, because when you approach this bank for loan or for facility or even for grants, they want to see what have you been doing. Now say I've been doing something with your private account. No, with the account that you already start that business with. So you can go and print that statement and show them. That makes more sense to them than your own personal account. Then, upon approval, access funds on favorable terms with possible grace periods. Number 3 I want to talk about is Anchor Borrowers Program, ABP. This was launched by the Central Bank of Nigeria. The Anchor Borrowers Program aims to boost agricultural production by linking smallholder farmers with agro-processors. Here are the features of the Anchor Borrowers Program. Input financing. They provide farmers with inputs like seeds and fertilizers on credit. Then offtake agreement. Agro-processors commit to buying produce from farmers, ensuring market access. Then we have the focus crops. Their focus crops include staples like rice, maize, cassava, sorghum, and many more. Now, here is how to access the Anchor Borrowers Program. Number 1, register online with the CBN or ABP official portals or through state agricultural offices. Join a recognized farmers cooperatives or group. You also can create the group. Call people together, share this thing with them, and then you create the group, and then you be leader of the group. And then from there, you can now approach the CBN through the Anchor Borrowers Program for this particular purpose. Then provide proof of farm size and location. Then you need to receive inputs or credit and technical support. Then after you have done everything is productive and you have made your gain, then repay the loans after harvest, often through produce sales or anchor companies. Additional government and NGO grants you should know are as follows. Number 1 is the Green Money Project. This is a presidential initiative targeting youth that are aged 18 to 40 to empower them in agribusiness with training and funding support. Registration requires basic education and demonstrated interest in agriculture. Then we also have the Youth Economic Intervention and the Radicalization Empowerment Program, that is YERDEP. This provides 300 to 500,000 grants. As at the time I'm doing this video, it might have increased by now, to youth in agriculture and food business. Then we also have the National Agricultural Development Fund, a fund with over 132 billion naira allocated in 2025 to support farmers with inputs, mechanization, and market access. Now you can see a lot of money is pumped into these things. you to take advantage of it and get a share and use it to increase or to start your agricultural business. Now, here are general steps to assess farming grants in Nigeria. You need to identify suitable grant programs. Research programs aligned with your farming activity and eligibility. Apart from this, prepare a solid business plan. And this is where I come in again. Business plan writing. Then clearly outline your project goals, budget, expected outcomes, and repayment plans if possible. All these are the things that will be in the business plan. Then register and apply. Follow official application procedures often available online or at agricultural offices. Then meet the eligibility criteria. This may include age limits, residency, education, and prior farming experience. Then engage with cooperatives. Many grants require applicants to be part of farmer groups or cooperatives. Then attend training. Some programs mandate participation in capacity building workshops. Then maintain records. Keep detailed records of activities and finances to comply with grant conditions and improve future access. Now, as a conclusion, I need to let you know that accessing government and NGO farming grants in Nigeria is a viable way to finance and grow your agricultural business. Programs like NASAL, BOA loans, and the Anchor Borrowers program provide critical support ranging from credit guarantees to input financing and market linkages. By preparing a comprehensive business plan, meeting eligibility requirements, and actively engaging with relevant agencies, you can tap into these resources to boost your productivity and profitability. For youth and new farmers, initiatives like the Green Money Projects and the YEI-DEP offer additional opportunities to enter and thrive in agriculture. Stay informed, apply early, and leverage these grants to transform your own farming venture and your farming business. Dr. Olubengade is my name, and on this channel I teach you how to make money online and how to make money offline. Why? Because poverty is not good, and I don't want anybody around me to be poor. Now, if you have gained value from this video, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the link of this video for family and friends, and then drop your comment and questions in the comment section below. Until I come your way in the next one, this video popping up by the side from my channel is the next one I want you to go ahead and watch now. You will be glad you did. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.